sikat. Alam ko, nakikita ko to sa TikTok din. Avocado smoothie. Sarap. Hindi na nag-smoothie din ako, parang 70 ata. 70,000 dong. Pero dun kasi yung sa Michelin Star Restaurant. Ito. Sabi-sabi. Pero ang sarap. 30,000 lang to. Meron pa siyang red durian. Oh my god. Sarap.
Nói là làm khoai hơn nữa.
Xoài đây.
Ông muốn đi không? Đi ngắn không? Ông ở với tôi. Vài nha.
Đi chứ có cái gì xây đó không để gì đâu.
Ang lasa. Nag-vlog tapos hindi describe yung lasa na. Very smooth. Yung pagkakablend. Yung walang sapal. Sarap. Yung sobrang tamis. Hindi ko halataan yung edad ko.
Đốt sữa.
30,000 is like 70 pesos.
Thôi.
Ang sarap ng durian.
Chỉ uống ăn tí mà là
Ito
khi là muốn ăn tí được tâm.
Ang sarap ng durian.
Rồi từ cái đây lên về. Dạ thế sao? Đấy ông thương. Đấy.
Medyo maingay sila. Story time na lang. Nabanggit ko kahapon. Nabanggit ko kahapon na super bait ng mga tao dito.
Ông gọi thì đương nhiên ông phải gọi rồi, tôi hôm nay phải
Cháu là gọn.
nhưng mà tôi sướng một cái đâu hiểu không? Đấy.
Hindi yung bait na parang nag-expect sila na magkikip ka, ha? Bait. Hawakan ko na lang kasi nakikita yung mga mukha nila. Ayoko makita yung mukha nila. Super bait ng mga tao dito sa Danang, sa Vietnam. May lasing lang sa likod kaya maingay. Kaya dito ako sa stall ng ice cream. Nakaupo ako. Avocado ice cream. Avocado smoothie. Kembo. Story time again. Super bait talaga ng mga tao dito. Banggit ko na yung kahapon eh. Today na-encounter ko ulit. Yung baon na ginawa ko today. Main man ako ng pho. Nung nagbayad na ako, mag-abot sila ng sukle. Alam mo yung very gentle na gesture na mag-abot ng sukle? Yung inaalalayan yung isang braso. Okay, naabot yung pera. Ganun sila. Tapos, nung nabasunod kong ginawa. Main ako ng pho, pumunta ako ng shore. Tapos ng shore, bumalik ako sa hotel kasi nag-book mga tour. Nanood ako ng theater act. Yung mga babae doon, mababae talaga sila mag-assist. Akala nga nila kaya ko eh. Pagdating ko doon, yung sa assistant ata yun sa labas, sabi niya, "Sawadi ka!" Tapos, baba. Nag-book din ako ng cruise, river cruise. After manood ng theater, nag-book ako ng angkas papunta dun sa sa river cruise. Ingin nila, no? Mabait sila pero maingin sila eh. Paglasing. Kahit sino naman ata maingay paglasing, pero mabait sila. Nakakatawa yung nabook kong Grab. Tanong siya, "Where are you from?" "From the Philippines." Dito try siya mag-communicate using yung translator niya. Nakakatawa naman. Tapos sabi niya, "Are you just visiting Vietnam? Are you just touring Vietnam?" Sabi ko, "Yes." Tapos sabi niya, tinype niya dun sa translator niya, Do you wanna take a picture here?" Yung tinutukoy niya here, dun sa may Dragon Bridge. So, huminto kami doon. Tapos, pinon niya ako ng picture. Nakakatawa naman. Sabi niya, "I don't charge money ha. I don't charge money." Sabi niya. Bago huminto, sabi niya, "Hindi ako nag-charge ng ng pera. I don't charge any money for that picture. I just like hanging out." Sabi niya lang, "I just like hanging out." So parang, super bait naman yun. Binabanan niya ako. Another story time. Dun sa may river cruise, nahuli kasi ako eh. Kumain ako dun sa may Kumain ako dun sa may Michelin star. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. Ano ba yun? Ayan, kumain ako dun sa Luklak. Actually, parang 30 minutes na lang before 30 minutes na lang before 7:15. Yung time na pag-alis ng cruise. Tapos sinunod ko sa guard, ilang minutes yung cooking time nila, yung waiting time para makakain. Sabi niya around 10 to 15 minutes. Sabi ko, baka hindi na kaya. Sabi ko, mamaya na lang ako kakain. I will just, i-English ko na lang. Sige, ito na yung English version. Pero ang English, mamaya na lang.
Another story time. So I would just tell this in English. I don't care if my grammar is not that right or it's not that good. As long as everyone can understand it, I hope everyone can understand. And even those people who live in Vietnam, Vietnamese people, I hope they can understand what I'm trying. What I was saying was, ever since I stepped in the Nang airport, everyone was so kind. So when I was waiting for my time to go to the night river cruise, I went to Luklak. I don't know if that's right. It's a Michelin star restaurant that is in front of the river. And then I asked the security guard if how many minutes would it take for me to get the food after I order. He said it would be around 10 to 15 minutes. So I told him, I might get late, so I will just eat later. And then he said, it's okay, you can book now and then you can eat later. And then I talked to the manager of that restaurant. He said to me, no, you have to eat now. You look like you have to eat now. I think you're hungry. I will ask him to make the food for you that is faster than usual so you can eat. And then I asked him to suggest any bestsellers from the menu. He was so kind. The food was good. It was great. Even the shakes, smoothies, was really good. So all I'm saying was, all the people that I met here in Vietnam was really kind and really good. And then I went to a pharmacy earlier today after the river cruise because I have this very dry skin around my lips. It usually happens whenever I go to the beach, and then when I go sun exposure, it would get really red and then dark. I even got dark spots on my face because I just had it. I just had my warts removed around 3 weeks ago. I don't really like it. And then I changed my facial wash to glycolic acid, which is the wrong decision. So I had this breakouts, really bad dry skin. So I went to a pharmacy and then I asked him, do you have any facial wash and a moisturizer that would heal my dry skin in my face? And he really did the research, even googling it, that it would match my skin type, that it would be safe for my skin. I mean, who would do that? Only Vietnamese people can do it. I love Vietnam. I live here. I'll find my husband here.